swapping cars.
Knocked up.
Borrowing my sister's car to go pick up the new bumper. There's Kevin's car. There it was. Ollie. We're off. Jovi! How's it going? I saw your Type R. I was like, this has to be his house.
Huh?
Oh wow. Thank you again.
No worries, man. Yeah, it's gonna go.
I appreciate it. Yeah. Thanks again. Just picked up a new bumper and we're off back home to install it. So before installing the spoon bumper, we had to take out the crash bar. Crash bar consists of 2 bolts up top here and 1 bolt right underneath. I believe they were a 12 mil. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, once you take off those 3 from each side, the bar is easily detachable besides this middle piece. Tried mounting the bumper up. Tabs don't really fit that well, but I'll fix that when I go get it painted. Overall, looks really good on the car. I think these mesh black gives it a more aggressive look.